I have this small box from Amazon. So let's unbox that. Because I'm rewarding myself today. Okay. Since we love nail polish, so my husband ordered this for me. Called Gaui. This is like a ruby red, guys. I'm showing you later when I use it. And here the exciting one, because my daughter likes to do my nails. And this is like a pen, like a decoration. Like she did this one, and my toes like was a strawberry. So I bought her this one so she can play with it on my nails. And so my other daughter. So I let her practice, and why not? And it has so many colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. So it has 12 different colors, guys. So we'll see if it's really good. Because the one I had is different one. But it was okay. I want to try this one. It's like a pen. Easy to make a design. So this is all for now. And that's all.